What a phone! This is the Moto Razr 40 Ultra. It's a big name, but it's an ultra flippable phone. And if I talk about its history, the first two generations of Moto Razr were launched in India. It didn't come last year. Now this is the fourth generation of Moto Razr 40. It was launched in China, the Moto Razr 40 and Moto Razr 40 Ultra. This is the Ultra. It's already on Amazon in India and it's going to launch in India. And I'm excited. Do you know why? Because the Ultra of this generation is really an Ultra. It's just like its name, especially the cover and display. We're going to do a first look video on it today, but remember it's launching in India soon. And we're going to do a full video on it. But I thought I'd give you a first look at this phone. Alright, let's see what this phone is like. Right up front, it's a phone. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Alright, it's a black box and the Razr is a different and better box. What else is there? This is the Chinese variant, but when it comes to India, it'll be something like this. Let's see, it can be something different too. But what's inside? Alright, it's Chinese and you have documentation and a SIM card tool. Alright, let's keep this. What else is there? Oh, there's a case. There's a flip case too. Alright, it's a different case. It's a hard case, look at this. It's good quality, we'll put this in too. It has a 33W charger, so yes, fast charging is supported. That's good. And a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable. Alright, let's keep this aside. I'm excited. I'm excited to see your reaction when you see this phone for the first time. Because when I saw it, I said, what? Wait for it. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely something. But when I start it, you'll know why I'm so excited about it. This is also one of the thinnest flip phones, it's very thin. And if you look at it from the front, you'll feel that it's the same as the normal candy bar form factor. And I don't see much crease. The leather finish at the back, oh my goodness. This is the best flip phone I've handled for sure. Even this fold is very satisfactory, it's just enough resistant. It doesn't feel too resistant, nor does it feel like it'll fall off. This is the Pantone color, it'll be this color when it launches in India. But this has only a leather finish and it looks super duper rich for sure. It's ultra compact, look at this. It fits in my palm completely. It looks slightly wide, but I think that's quite good as it's a tall phone too. We have a question for you, as the Indian variant is coming soon and we'll do its unboxing and first impressions. What all do you want in that video? Do let us know in the comments. If you have any questions about the Moto Razr 40 Ultra, do ask us. Ports and buttons. It has standard ports and buttons. The frame is metal and the hinge is quite nice. But the exciting part is when I start the phone, that's what's going to be fun. The aspect ratio is 22:9, which is tall. Oh my god. Look at the display. The cover screen is 3.6-foot HD+, and it has 144 Hz fast refresh rate. Even the front screen. And look at the screen, the camera modules look like they're just kept there. But this is entirely a screen and the bezels are very thin. And it's a full screen. If you look at other flip phones like Oppo, Vivo, etc., they have a big display too. These days, there's a 3 display. This is a 3.6-foot display and it's the biggest display. But you can only use widgets on it. This display is fully functional, it's inside and outside. You can do everything, even gaming. The main display is a 6.9-foot OLED display with 165 Hz fast refresh rate and an LTPO display. So they haven't cut any corners anywhere. Specifically, it's a Chinese variant and there are similar specifications in India. It comes on the 8 Plus Gen 1. It has two variants, one is 8GB RAM with 256GB and the other is 12GB RAM with 512GB. There are two big changes compared to the previous generation. The battery is now more than 1000 mAh, it's a 3800 mAh battery. Last time it was 2800 mAh and it has 33W fast charging. Now there's a second big change, it has wireless charging. I'm just excited to test this. In fact, I might get this as my daily driver when it launches in India. But wow, the standout thing for me is the looks, in-hand feel, and the best part is the cover display. It's just amazing, look at that. You can use any app on it, you can even add widgets. It has everything. If you want to read something, or do something big, you can watch videos on the screen. This is just amazing. I'm not going to talk much about it now as it'll have a lot of India-specific things like optimization. So that's what the Moto Razr 40 Ultra is. Overall, it's a very impressive device for sure. And if I talk about its price, it's around 5,400 to 6,400 rupees in China. So if you convert it, it comes to around 75,000 rupees. Even if I mark it at 10,000 rupees, it'll come to around 80 to 85,000 rupees. And for that price, this will be a fantastic phone. I mean, the display, form factor and feel of the phone are amazing. The cover display just stands out for sure. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. Do subscribe as the Indian variant's unboxing and first impressions review is coming soon. So this was the first look of the Moto Razr 40 Ultra.